In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message on this tablet. First of all, you need to open the Messages app. Now select one of your chats. And when you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of chat window. Then select Files next to Stickers and pick one of those right away, or click on those two filters, Audio and Video. You can also just click on one of your apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, like audio. When you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!